Okay, so I made this half wig, so I'm going to be just doing my hair because that's normally what I would do. And then also in this video, we're going to do my nails, and we're also going to do my lashes. I was thinking about doing a sugar wax on my armpits, but I'm terrified. Oh, I might shave my face too in this video. We'll see. So actually, let me take this off. I don't know if I told y'all, but I make this half wig. I just use Ivy's flip over method. If you don't know who that is, then she's the goat of like doing the flip over method. Like how y'all see all these girls currently doing the flip over method. That was all her. Like she's the originator. Ooh, girl. Oh, you know what? Let me put some heat protectant on. Have y'all tried Rihanna's heat protectant? I really love her heat protectant. But I left it upstairs. But I already had put some on yesterday because I was gonna do my hair yesterday, but I ended up doing it today. It's just this Fantasia heat protectant. This stuff is so oily to me, so I don't like to use too much. Ooh, you see that? Pressed, okay? Pressed like a panini. I promise you it's the product and not my hair frying. I'm telling you, this is what we used to use when we used to go to church, okay? So if you don't know nothing about that, you just don't know nothing about that. And it worked magic then. That's why it's called Blue Magic, I'm telling you. Y'all, I just used this curling iron from She Glam. It's actually like a curling iron that does it itself. Look, I'm gonna show you how you do it real quick. But I had to do it for a TikTok video, and I actually love this. So I'm gonna actually link it for y'all just in case y'all want to grab it too. But look, there was a little learning curve, I'm not gonna lie, for me. But you just pull your hair down like this. You put it in between this little piece right here, and then you just press the button. And it'll actually tell you when to stop. So I love that. And now it's ready. So I just curled it the opposite way. I love this thing. And it gave me these luscious curls. So very excited about that. If y'all are in the market for some good flat irons and you don't want to spend over $100 like for like the baby bliss or whatever, get these Vanessa Pro flat irons, y'all. They are so good. And these are the only flat irons that I use now. I used to use these other flat irons from Revlon, which those are good too. So if you need an even duper dupe of like baby bliss, I would do the they're Revlon flat irons, and they're like 40 bucks, but these are like 60 something bucks, and they are so good, and they just flat iron really good. So if you have 4C hair, probably something that you should definitely get, especially if you don't want to pay the baby bliss price. That's what I would consider. That's my opinion. I like to use BioSilk, and like I feel like my hair gets really oily when I do stuff like this, like my entire process for straightening. But that's literally the only way I can keep my hair straight, like even if it's like oily, because it just doesn't do what I want it to do sometimes. That curling iron is freaking amazing. I'm not even gonna lie, because these curls, I did this in like 10 minutes and I didn't have to do too much. Like, you know, with curlers, it's just a long process. It was not a long process at all. It was like 10 to 15 minutes max. Make me feel like
my side, baby, where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be? Probably gone. Oh,
love.
'cause it feels like CPR.
Please, here, don't kiss me.
Baby, love again, like, notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands me, no. You're the only one to confide into, darling. I don't really need to lie to.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to be doing this little eye mask for underneath my eyes because they get super poofy, and these are really good for like tightening your eyes. Like if you're, you know, just, it has collagen in it, so it tightens the under eyes, and really recommend. They also have like a cream that you can use. I like these a lot because I can just sit them down on my eyes and, I mean, under my eyes and just leave it. So that's great. And we're also going to shave my face. I really like shaving my face. And we're also going to do my nails and do my eyelashes. So this is a serious maintenance, okay?
Everything I've done, you know, I really never had a home. Damn, I really hate feeling.
So to shave my face, I normally use a mixture of a moisturizer and an oil, like a skin oil.
Maybe you can make me feel at home, baby. 'Cause it feels like CPR. 'Cause it feels like CPR.
Back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they said they dip back in the morning. I put a new Radic, I had to watch, so I two-toned. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. Your car, you just listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire on the performing. The weekend just came in and out, stars look cute.
I love seeing it on my It's so funny. It's just so gross looking, but this makes your makeup come out so beautifully when you shave your face. You have to really be careful when you get by your eyebrows. I have done it to where I've shaved off my eyebrows before. But I feel like it makes your skin look so much clearer.
Hey, I know they hate on me, but I don't keep coming. Whenever I tell her to come, she can come. Whenever it's through, we ain't burning. Just hard on stage, talk to her for my time. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, don't care why.
Okay. Should we do lashes? Let's do nails.
Bad little fire, she ran up on mine. Soon as I get back, she gets shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Just hard on stage, talk to her for my time. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, don't care where I go. Soon as I get paid, bad little fire, she ran up on mine. Soon as I get back, she gets shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Every other night, another dollar get made. Every other night, put it with a good day. I feel like a child, I got bubbles in the face. I'm dancing in the job, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'll go one and not a slave. I ain't gonna draw the line too many, but you get insane. See, it's still with me, so I took a private plane. These pussy niggas like a bomb, working on my name. Drip too hard, charge to the car. Let's stand to the ground, take a balance by the name. Drip too hard, caution on the floor, you gon' fuck around the John.
Okay, so we're doing these lashes that don't require glue. I absolutely love them because I'm one of those people who have to snatch my lashes out at the end of the night. So I just cannot take having lashes that are like semi-permanent or like extensions. I need to be able to take them off. They're still clusters, so they're perfect for making it look like natural. But yeah, I just like them more. So you just place them on where you want them to go. This is a length 20. I put them right on and then I just squeeze. And I like to go back and forth between my eyes.
Already know I can leave it alone.
going to 18. It's like the adhesive stuff gets stuck in, like from the previous row, the adhesive gets stuck. Let me redo it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this maintenance vlog. This is just a maintenance vlog for the girls who are DIY and want to do things affordable at home. These press-ons were like $2. This hair, now the hair is the most, most expensive thing, but doing it at home is the best way to get the bang for your buck. And these lashes are super affordable. They will be linked below. They're from my TikTok storefront. And I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you have those post notifications on so you guys can be updated every time I post a video. And make sure you drop in the comments what stuff do you do at home for yourself so you can keep up with yourself. All right. Thank you guys. Bye.